Okay, today we're going to do the larger hoop for the earring hooks. Here's an example, much larger. This one requires 4 inches. You have to cut 4 inches of wire at 16 gauge. However, you can use the 18 gauge. It will be a lot thinner, and you can decide on your preference. The more you play with the wires and stuff. So we'll start with the 16 gauge, and we're going to cut 4 inches. Stretch it out. Don't worry if it's not perfectly straight. You can straighten it out as you go. 4 inches. It is a good bit of wire. And then we're going to do the same as with the basic ear hook, but we're going to make the loop a little bigger, or try to. There we go. And then we're going to need a bigger object to make the hook. So I'm going to use my hammer. And same thing, you go about midway. And you just wrap it around. And you can just slightly, you don't have to go all the way, because you can do the rest with your hands. And here we come down. And then you take the flat pliers and you bend it up. Slightly. Now this one is more of an exaggerated look. You can play with the styles, and if you don't like this is too long, you can clip it a little more. And we'll be filing these down on another video. I'll show you about filing and hammering, which will add more texture and strengthen the wire. But this will be your long hoop. Here's an example of the earring that I made. Thanks for watching.